Can you safely reuse old toilet bolts and hardware when reinstalling a toilet? Old toilet bolts and mounting hardware that show any signs of damage or corrosion should not be reused because they can fail and cause leaks or movement. Remove the old bolts and inspect them closely for pitting, bending, stretched threads, or significant rust. Even surface corrosion can hide deeper weakening. Best practice is to replace flange bolts, washers, and nuts with new pieces from a toilet installation kit, which are usually stainless steel or brass plated for corrosion resistance and sized to fit modern flanges. When buying, match the bolt length to account for the thickness of the flange and any wax ring spacer you use. When installing, hand thread the nuts first to ensure correct alignment. Then tighten incrementally with a wrench to avoid cracking the porcelain. Stop as soon as the toilet is snug and then alternate sides to compress the wax ring evenly. Use nylon washers under the nuts to prevent metal on porcelain contact and to help distribute pressure. If the bolts sit in a floor that is prone to moisture, consider using silicone sealant around the bolt heads to reduce corrosion. If the flange itself is damaged, replace or raise the flange using a repair ring or flange extender kit before reinstalling to ensure the bolts hold securely and the toilet sits level. Common mistakes include reusing visibly corroded bolts, which leads to shear or breakage and leaks. So always swap them for new flange bolts and compatible washers and nuts. Another issue is over-tightening nuts, which can crack the toilet base, so tighten just until snug, then back off a quarter turn and check for stability. A third problem is ignoring a warped or low flange, which prevents a proper seal. If the flange is not level with the finished floor, install a flange extender or replace the flange before reinstalling the toilet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples related to toilet reinstallation and plumbing work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, product experiences, and recommendations to help get the job done right.